What's up, Rivian fans? I'm Ellie with 1EV, and today I want to share with you a world premiere of our brand new one-piece forged R500 wheels. But let's start off with this really cool blue R1T Rivian that has come to us from Northern California down to our facilities in beautiful Los Angeles, California for some customizations. This customer wanted to be the first to receive and purchase our one-piece forged 20-inch R500 wheels. But before we show you those, let's talk about what a Rivian R1T comes with. Well, the standard wheel is actually a 21-inch wheel, and that's a really good look. They also offer two more options, a 22-inch wheel and a 20-inch one-piece forged wheel. We actually really love and embrace that 20-inch size using the recommended original Pirelli Scorpion All Terrain tire, as you see fitted on the vehicle. Now let's get into our wheels. Check out world premiere, our very first set of 20-inch one-piece forged R500 wheels. They are finished in a beautiful two-tone finish. And when I say two-tone, that's because, as you notice, the trim around the fascia of the wheel is actually a kind of a satin silver, while the center areas is our beautiful satin bronze. Now let's talk about the design. Well, this is a true directional wheel. And as you can see, the aero fins around the wheel are truly directional, one unique style, one unique direction for each side of the vehicle. This not only gives it a very cool look, because we want that type of appearance on our Rivian trucks, but it also helps with aerodynamics, and that's always good and appreciated in the EV world. This side of the vehicle has our satin bronze finish, but the other side of the vehicle actually has our gloss black two-tone finish. Let's go take a look at that. I really want to know what side you like better, because it's interesting to get feedback from the Rivian community on their opinions. So as you can see now over here, we have our two-tone finish, but it's with gloss black. The reason why we went with gloss black is because we were inspired and wanted to go ahead and match up with some of the gloss black trims on the exterior A-pillar, the B-pillar, and the trim around up underneath the side view mirrors. That's a really good tie-in. While on the other side, the satin bronze, that's a great contrast, and I think it looks really cool with the blue. Personally, I like the satin bronze. That's my vote. Now, let's talk about why change the wheels on your Rivian. I mean, the factory wheels are fine, right? They offer 3 different types, different sizes. You can have your own 20-inch one-piece forged from Rivian. But at the end of the day, there's a big trend on appearance, right? Our Rivian trucks are super cool. And you know what? You don't want to look like every other R1T truck out there. And by the time you're watching this video, I'm sure there's going to be so many more on the road. It's truly about your own individual taste and style, setting yourself apart from everybody else, because as special as the R1T appears today on the road, the deliveries are growing and they're all over. So it's all about individuality. Change your wheels, have your own unique look, your own unique appearance, especially when you get into a parking lot and it's full of Rivians, you could easily identify yours. Another great topic of discussion is, what is the difference between a one-piece forged wheel versus a flow forged wheel, or even a cast wheel like most manufacturers make their wheels out of? And at the end of the day, to simplify this conversation, it comes down to, number one, strength, rigidity, reduction in unsprung weight, and that's what you're going to find in a one-piece forged wheel. This process of manufacturing a one-piece forged wheel is very costly. Usually starts off with a large piece of aluminum weighing upwards of 150 pounds that gets machined down one at a time in a CNC machine to create one wheel that could take up to 6 hours, for example, like this wheel takes, just to make one. Now, if you want to go for flow forge or cast, these are still coming out of molds. They're heavier, they're not as strong, and it's just a less expensive way of manufacturing wheels. Now, why spend the money for a one-piece forged wheel? Well, the answer is, at the end of the day, for an 8,500-pound electric vehicle, the Rivian R1T, you want to have the strongest wheels, you want to have the lightest wheels, and you're gonna get that out of One Piece Forged. We've spent so much money for these wonderful vehicles. They are truly amazing, but they do deserve the best in wheels, and One Piece Forged is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. So many more amazing Rivian videos coming your way soon.